Hello, this is Joe for Live Automation. In this video, we will be covering the basics of setting up recipes for Monitouch HMIs. This video applies to the TS4000 and V10 HMI series. We will be using Smart Editor. To start, I will open up an application that I have made for this video. It uses a TS4120i. Then, to create a recipe, we'll go to System Settings, and Recipe. Click OK to create your first recipe. Record-based transfer is for when you are pulling different recipes from a single CSV file, while file-based loads the whole file. For the purposes of this demonstration, I'll be using file-based transfer. Moving over to file format, I'm going to leave these as DEC, as I will be loading integers for this demonstration. For transfer device setting, I'll set it to $U200 as the starting word, and leave specify consecutively selected, as it will load the data starting from $U200 without additional settings. Back to screen 0, where I have prepared a recipe data load switch. This switch will open a dialog to select the recipe to load based on the recipe it is assigned. In this case, recipe 0. Note that select at the time of execution has been set to yes. This will open the dialog. Additionally, I have placed 10 numerical displays, going from $U200 to $U209. For this demonstration, I have prepared a CSV file with Excel named testing. Be sure to save it as a CSV and not a CSV UTF-8, as that will add an additional header information that will disrupt the first value of the CSV. Let's open up Emulator. Now, select our recipe load switch, then the testing file, then load. We can see that the values have loaded successfully. Thank you for watching.